Hello everyone, I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. Sprinkle a little bait to trap the fish.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! Oh no!
Continue fishing. This fish has a problem. Fresh fish. Okay, let's go home now. First, we remove the fish scales. Cut off the tail of the fish. Next, make many holes in the fish body. Okay, done. Now we will marinate the fish. First is turmeric powder. Add salt. A little sugar. Mix, and mix. Okay, done. Now we will prepare the ingredients for the dish. Chop the potatoes. Next is to chop the carrots. Finally, mince the garlic. After preparing the ingredients, we will cook the dish. Pour oil into the pan. Add garlic to the pan. Continue to add potatoes and carrots. Stir and flip. Add turmeric powder. Whipping cream. Finally, add coconut. Mix. Okay, done. Now we will pour the cooked ingredients onto the fish. The sound of frying fat is very soothing. Rice is an indispensable part of the meal, so now we will cook rice. Pour rice into the pot. Add water. Continue to add water. Cook for 20 minutes. Stir, and flip. Very tasty. Have another piece. Try a little rice. Eel.
Oh wow!
Thank you, Kitty.
Bye-bye!
Salt. lemon, oyster sauce, cooking oil, puffer fish,
Huh. Huh.
cabbage, bean sprouts, green pepper, water, cook for 20 minutes, paprika, spring onion, mushroom, kimchi, salt, rice, water, cook for 30 minutes. So delicious. Next, we will use a knife to make diagonal cuts around the fish.
No. Yes, that's it.
We season the dishes with salt, black pepper, and turmeric powder. Apply evenly to the fish to absorb the seasoning. Next step, put the fish on the grill. As for the fish, we will grill it. Place the fish on a prepared steak. Use a can to cover the outside of the fish grill. Pour charcoal around it along with straw. Once we're done with the fish, we'll make the octopus. Cut off the octopus head. Then cut out the octopus antennae. Spices for marinating octopus include black pepper, salt, paprika, garlic and onions. Finally, add a little cooking oil on top. Mix it well. After mixing, we put the octopus beard on the grill. Secure the grill with a steel wire. Now we will grill it. Pour charcoal into the grill. Place the octopus grill on top. Fry until both sides of the octopus are burned. Then spread oyster sauce on top. The fish is cooked. Let's take it out. Done! Their smell is so appealing. I'll try one.